Welcome to Java application development. Before we can start with creating our very first application, there's some tools that we will need. One of the tools is the Java Development Kit, or the JDK. Now this is all the libraries we will need to start developing in Java. So you'll see that in Google I just searched for JDK, and the first link that comes up is the one that I will click there. Now if you go down, you'll see that we've got the Java SE Development Kit 8U161, but there's a newer version, the 162. So get the highest version that you can get here. So you're going to accept the license, and then you can see there's the different downloads. So whether you're on a Mac or on a Windows machine or on Linux or wherever you are, you can download that specific version. And you'll also see in Windows there's a 64-bit as well as the normal 32-bit one. So just choose your specific JDK and then start downloading the JDK. Now the other tool that we'll need is the integrated development environment. And this one we will use to write our Java code. So there are many to choose from, including NetBeans, Eclipse, as well as IntelliJ. So we will focus on using IntelliJ. So on Google again, you can just go and search for IntelliJ, go to IntelliJ IDEA, the first link there. It will take you to this page where you can just go and click on download. And then when you go down, you'll see that there's options for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux again. So you're going to choose for Windows there or for Mac, depending on your specific operating system. Let's say you're on a Windows machine. You can see that there's an Ultimate Edition and there's a Community Edition. So for now, we're just going to go with the Community Edition. You can choose the exe file or just a normal zip file. So we're going to download the community version there. So you can click on download. You can also see what's the differences between the two versions. But download the community version. After downloading the community version, you can just install IntelliJ. But very important, firstly, make sure that you install the JDK. After a successful installation of the JDK, go and install the community version of IntelliJ IDEA. Now, if you want the ultimate, you can always go to buy there. So this is not a free version. The community version is for free. But you can see there's some discounted and complimentary licenses for startups, for education and training, for students and teachers, and so forth. So you can also go and have a look at trying to getting this one for free. So go and install your JDK and go and install IntelliJ IDEA, and then I'll see you for the next video.